Hello YouTubers, it's the Hisense Guru here once again. Today I'm going to go ahead and show you how to hard reset your Hisense Sero 7 Pro, excuse me, not your Pro, but your Lite. This right here, you notice the difference because it has a smooth back comparable to the Pro, which has a rougher back. As you can see, it's patterned. That's the Pro I just showed you. But right now we're going to go ahead and work with this one right here. This is the Sero 7 Lite. I had a couple questions on how to do the Lite because I just made a video on the Pro. The Lite is a little bit different. There is only one quirk to it that is different than the Pro over here that you can use to update it. Excuse me, not update it, but to reset it. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is just go ahead and start by go ahead and turning it on. More than likely you have it like this. Just like the Pro in my previous video, what you're going to need to do is to power it off. So go ahead and press and hold the power button up at the top. It should prompt that. Go ahead and hit OK. Do you want to shut down? Yes, I do. I'm going to hit OK. Okay, now the tablet is shut down. So what we're going to go ahead and need to do is press and hold the power and the volume down button. So let's go ahead and locate that there. You see the power one is the furthest to the right, and the volume down is the furthest to the left. So we're going to press and hold both of those. Press and hold 15 seconds. 15 seconds to see if anything's happening on the screen. All right, so we've gone ahead and did that there. So as you notice, we're in a reset mode, but the difference is between the Pro and the Lite is that you don't see any blue writing here. That's the prompt so you can go ahead and access the background of the tablet. So what we're going to go ahead and do from here is we're going to go ahead and press the power and tap one time, only once, the volume up button. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Go ahead and do that now. Wish I could show you. There we go. I'm going to press the volume and tap the volume up and press the power button. And there you go. Once you press the volume and press the power and tap the volume up button one time, you'll be able to actually pull up the blue writing just like you would on the Pro, which the first one says, you can't quite see it here, but I'll go ahead and read it to you. First one highlighted is the reboot system now. Second one's apply update from ADB. Third one is apply update from external storage. Third one is update RK image from external storage, but the real one that we really need to pay attention to is wipe data factory data now. Just like the Pro, we're going to use the volume down button to get down to wipe factory data. Wipe factory data, and go ahead and press the power button one time. That should initiate it. You'll see a whole bunch of no's on the side. You want to go to the one yes that is here. Volume down to the one yes. Once it's highlighted, went past it. Once it's highlighted, go ahead and press the power button. Power button will initiate it, and then you'll see this screen next. That means that the tablet is rebooting itself to factory default. Let's see, is there anything else? We're going to go ahead and wait for this to do its wiping. Also, my next video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to wipe the cache just in case you have an issue where your tablet's locking up, or it's not allowing you to get into the Google Store, or it's acting up in any of the other apps. So that's going to be my next video, but I'm going to go ahead and proceed from here with the Lite reset. Okay, now we've done the reboot. Now we've done the factory data, wipe data factory reset, which now has wiped all the information off of the tablet. The next step we're going to go ahead and do is press the power button to accept reboot system now, which is the very first one. So I'll go over to the power, press the power, and now it's rebooting the system. The very next thing you will see is the Hisense symbol and then the smart symbol, and it will actually take you back to the initial setup. My very first video out of the box setup. So that will actually show you that very first screen for when you first set it up out of the box. What else can I tell you about this? It's a rather simple process. It does solve a lot of issues if you have any type of glitching or sluggishness with your tablet. Also, with the tablet, if you have any type of memory, or you're trying to return it to the store, which people have done. I've done it before. But if you had to return it to the store and you don't want anybody to have any of your personal pictures or anything like that, you could use that to wipe the tablet clean so that nobody will be privy to what you've put onto the tablet. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign off here because it will return back to the home screen, or the first initial sign up screen. This is the Hisense Guru here, signing off. Make sure that you subscribe to my page, keep looking at it, and check out some of my other videos if you have any other questions or any other issues. This is the Hisense Guru here, signing off.